Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate W-8BEN-E data collection for foreign vendors, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate W-8BEN-E data collection for foreign vendors, begin by logging into your account on the platform. Navigate to the settings section of your account. Look for the option labeled tax information. Click on tax information to proceed. You will see an option to manage vendor data collection. Select Add Vendor to start the process for foreign vendors. Enter the vendor's basic information, including name and address. Ensure the vendor's country of origin is correctly specified. Next, you will find an option to enter tax identification details. Select the W-8BEN-E form from the available tax form options. Provide comprehensive business information as required on the form. Ensure that all fields are filled out accurately to avoid delays. Once the form is completed, double-check for any errors. Submit the form electronically through the platform. A confirmation message will appear, indicating successful submission. Next, navigate back to the Tax Information section. Here, you can view the status of submitted forms. Monitor for any requests for further documentation from your vendors. Communicate with your vendors if additional information is needed. Regularly review vendor compliance to maintain accurate records. Keep track of expiration dates for any submitted forms. Renew forms as necessary to ensure ongoing compliance. By following these steps, you will successfully activate W-8BEN-E data collection for your foreign vendors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.